Mod number 1. Can't really see it, but there it is. Docking hardware installed. And mod number 2. Yeah, right there. Oil cover. It doesn't quite match, but it's certainly better than the black that comes with the bike. And there's another one over here. Let me just step back in here. There it is. You can see the shading is somewhat darker, but again, beats the original black. So for now, this is what I'm keeping. It's just a wrap, so I can pull that out at any time. Easy to put it in and out. Well, easy-ish. Not really that easy, but yeah. Next is going to be the exhaust. Then the seat, the bars. So it begins. Fast Johnny.